Hi, my name is Eric George, and I'm going to kind of go over what cyberbullying is and what we need to be aware of as students. First off, some quick facts about it. About 22.5% of young people report having mean comments directed at them on cyberbullying. About 35% have said that they've sent a screenshot to a friend in order to laugh at someone. About 61% say they have been bullied because of their appearance. Instagram and Facebook are the most common sites in which cyberbullying occurs, with Snapchat not far behind. And 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying before they're 18. The impacts of cyberbullying. The impacts aren't always seen. People can hide the hurt caused by cyberbullying. But one of the things that's happened recently is there's been a steady increase in teen suicide rates. And a lot of that is linked to cyberbullying, as we've seen the rise of these social networks and increase in cyberbullying and kind of hidden bullying, student in suicide or increase into teen suicide has happened. It can have dramatic effects on self-esteem and mental health for those who are bullied. In the long term, people who have been multiple victims of cyberbullying have an increased link to having identity fraud happen to them in their future. And it ultimately leads to feelings of powerlessness, loss of sleep, lower self esteem, and anxiety, depression, all sorts of other negative mental health disorders. So it's not a victimless thing and definitely has legitimate impacts on those who are bullied. What you can do as a student. So, first of all, if you see someone being cyberbullied, report it to your school. Most schools have anonymous reporting systems, including ours. You can text the link, you see it up in the hallways. Second, collect evidence. If you see a post online, screenshot it, record it. That way, there is proof for when a school does get involved or an adult or the authority figure gets involved, they can actually act on it. Third, most websites, apps, games, wherever it's happening, have some sort of reporting system. Use it. That way, those websites can take action against those people who are continuing to engage in that behavior. Talk to a trusted adult. These relationships are important. You can trust and count on those people. We, as your teachers, are here to help you. So we want you to take advantage of that opportunity. Fifth, if you know someone who is being cyberbullied, demonstrate care. They're going through a tough time. Seeing a positive image or a positive post about them on social media, or even just a text to them, can have dramatic effects on their mental well being and mental health. Continuing on, work together, gather your friends, organize a positivity. Okay, if you see people engaging in cyberbullying about someone online, have a bunch of your friends comment positive things, change the tune, be the leaders. Something as simple as telling a person to stop. If you see a friend engaging in that behavior online, you kind of owe that duty to ask them to stop. You know it's wrong. If you are silent, in a way, you are complicit. Don't encourage it. If you get forwarded a text or a screenshot of someone, don't pass it on. Don't share it. You don't have to support it. Don't comment on those posts. Uh, Next, stay safe. Don't put yourself in harm's way. If you are frustrated with someone, if emotions are high, you've been in a fight, don't post anything. They might respond. It might cause something else to happen. Just stay out of it. And lastly, don't give up. Okay, this is a fight that we can win. Think creatively about what can be done. Talk with others. Engage your building leaders. Engage your school community. Come up with programs. There's all sorts of different things that you can do to get involved and help with these things. And lastly, we have the references for some of the sources seen today. Thank you guys.